Here is a wonderful 2023 Acura MDX. Luxurious, spacious, and powerful, the MDX is designed to meet the demands of your life in style. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: panoramic roof, all-wheel drive, keyless entry, sun, moonroof, lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, keyless start, power passenger seat, remote engine start, satellite radio. See for yourself why the MDX is the best-selling third-row luxury SUV of all time. Take a test drive today.